11-foot homemade DIY kayak. So we got this piece on already last video, and this is something I had left over from Halloween. You can buy it at Walmart. It's let's see, natural burlap. I bought a couple more of these. This is $7 per roll. This is $4 for a roll of that. I'm kind of sticking with this for the bottom because it's heavier duty. And then I found this also at Walmart. So for a 12-foot piece of this, which is 36 inches wide, was $11.88. And this will be awesome because it's a lot thinner. And I mean, you know, for the top of the kayak, so it won't be so rough. You can finish it out once you put your glue on there and stuff. You'll be able to finish it out smoother without as much work or filler or extra glue, whatever you can put in there to make it thicken up. So I'm going to finish up the bottom with this heavy duty burlap, because I remember on the 8-foot dinghy I put it on the transom when it had ample glue on it. That stuff was hard. So I would say on the bottom, do this and put as many coats of paint or whatever it is you're going to put on it. If you decide you really love this kayak build when you're done with it, you got another coat of glue on here, then, or paint, house paint, whatever you want to put. You can come over and fiberglass this real easily and make this thing a permanent boat. Who's to say how long this will last or won't last, but if you're going to use it in the salt water around the oyster shells, you're probably going to want some fiberglass on it. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it.